another one of Tieghan and Gerard's recipes. Again, it's from our blog, and it's called Immune Boosting Winter Citrus Smoothie. First, we have 1 cup of frozen mango chunks, 3/4 of a cup, about the juice of 3 large oranges, the juice from 1 lemon, 2 teaspoons freshly grated ginger, 1/2 teaspoon ground turmeric, 1/4 teaspoon cayenne. But for my sister Liliana, who doesn't like it super spicy, we did a little less cayenne. Halfway full. Okay, so I've rinsed out the blender, and now I need 1 cup of raspberries. Thank you, Liliana. Okay, a whole cara. If you don't have a cara, you can use a grapefruit or a blood orange or just a regular orange. Thank you, Lily.
Yeah.
Okay, now 1 small red raw beet. Last but not least, 100% pomegranate juice. Add some to each cup to give it color and flavor. Swirl if you like. That is so good.
Good.
And so healthy.
Yeah.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you.
If you would like to help me and my family make these videos, you can become a patron on Patreon or PayPal.
Thank